Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix missing filters on TikTok. So let's say basically a filter on your TikTok is not working or you don't know how to get filters. To get filters, you can click on the plus button on your TikTok at the bottom. And at the side, it says effects, click on it. And these are all filters over here. You can choose whichever you want and use it. All right, so filters are called effect in TikTok. So that's how we guys can use it. Now let's say a filter is available on like other people but it's not available in your phone. So once you click on the plus icon, there's gonna be filters at the top right corner of your screen. Filters, click on it and you can see all the filters over here. You can use it. But let's say some filters are not available in your phone. So sometimes some filters are not going to be available in your phone due to the filter only being available in some country. So there are some filters which is only available in a specific country, and if you're not living in that country, you cannot use that filter. All right, so if that's the case, then you can't. But let's say your friend who lives in the same country is using the filter but you can't use it, then that's a problem, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, what you want to do is just close your TikTok and then go on your phone setting. And on your phone setting, you want to go in general. Over here, go on iPhone storage. And on iPhone storage, you want to find TikTok, all right? So over here, you can see TikTok. Click on TikTok. And click on offload app. Click on offload app. This is going to offload TikTok. Once the TikTok is offloaded, try to open a TikTok and then try to find filters. The filter which was not available in your phone previously, now it's going to be available. All right, so I need to reinstall it first. So once you offload an app on iPhone, you need to reinstall it. So once the reinstallation process is finished, you open, you go on filters, it should be available. And for Android user, you can say clearing the data. You can do the same process, but the process in Android is called clear data. All right, you can search on Google or YouTube on how to clear data on your phone. They'll teach you and you can clear the data of TikTok and it should work. If it doesn't work, just delete your TikTok, reinstall it again, and it should be fixed. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can fix your TikTok's missing filter. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel TechTube. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.